What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, and today we'll be looking at a trade I took on EURUSD for a 15-minute call. This was also a trade that I called out for my students live on our signal sessions. So if we look into the past, you can see that we are in a pretty strong uptrend on the 1-minute chart. So we were simply only looking for buy opportunities. And if we go into the past, we can also see right here that we have this very strong level of support that is being held very well. So once we noticed this level of support right here, and we also understand that we are in an uptrend, we're only looking for buy opportunities. We see that price comes into this area very fast, and then you can see within this one candle how price produces this doji, meaning that there is indecision in the market. So when we take together that we're in this strong uptrend, and we also have this strong level of support plus a candle after this huge push, this is a lot of confirmations telling us that price is most likely going to go up. So we simply put our trade right there for 15 minutes, and you can see how the trade did close right there. This was a pretty easy trade that we took. Just like I said, all the confirmations were adding together. It was very simple, just level of support in an uptrend. We have this huge push right here, and then price brick walls back at this support level right here once again. So we went ahead and placed our trade, and the trade closed right here with this candle. Super simple, guys. You guys always hear me say how trading is simple and how all of the trades I take are super simple, and I hope you guys see that in all the videos that I put out. I don't make trading complicated. I like to keep it as easy and as simple as possible. So if you guys have any questions over anything we talked about in this video, just drop a comment below and I'll be more than happy to help you out. And if you want to see when I take these trades live, go ahead and follow me on Instagram and Facebook and check out my stories. With that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video.